Hey guys, I'm just about 10 minutes out of Katoomba in New South Wales. I've just been on two buses to get here from Bathurst and cruising down to Sydney again. So I thought I would take this little video to show you anyone that was interested in how you get to Sydney or travel around New South Wales, Australia in a wheelchair. So this is the first video of several that I'll be doing over the next few days, I expect, of just how travelling in Sydney is now. And if you're wondering why I'm not doing any fancy views or whatever, this is actually what I'm seeing now. So just give you an idea of how it is to travel, and we'll see how we go. Thanks guys.